Hello guys, this is Luis from Instyle Auto. Today we have a VW EOS. We have fitted a navigation multimedia system with reverse camera. Here we have the mini reverse camera. The parking sensors will still work. There's a reverse camera working. It also has the lines for turning, and the parking sensors will still show. The factory parking sensors. This system plays DVDs, comes with navigation, GPS system, radio, AM and FM, RDS for better reception. Pretty loud, this one. Comes with Bluetooth. You can make phone calls, receive phone calls, listen to the music from your phone. You can stream music through your phone also. It's fully compatible with the steering wheel controls. Slide the page here. It's CarPlay ready, mirror link. You get USB input in your glove box. There's two USB inputs. SD card also for music or movies, whatever you want to put in there. We can also fit the front camera, optional. DVR dash cam recorder camera, optional as well. Games clock, tire pressure monitoring system. This will give you the tire pressure of your tires, and you can also set an alarm if the tire goes going down. It will warn you, so you can fix it before it goes flat and ruin your tires. This is optional feature as well. This is a EOS convertible. For sales and installations, please call Luis from Instyle Auto on 0404 897027 or 0730 535670. We have installers in Brisbane, Gold Coast, Sunshine Coast, Towoomba, Sydney metro areas, Melbourne and Adelaide metro areas. Or log into our website www.installauto.com.au. Thank you.